So we're in our brand new building. We moved here several months ago.
Rebecca Simmons is the executive director of the Valley Children Advocacy Center. The center's staff and their community service providers celebrated the grand opening of the center's new building. It is located on Greenville Avenue in Staunton.
Before we were in this new building, we were in a very, very small office, about 1,000 square feet, and we were just outgrowing it. Year after year, we see roughly 20% more than the previous year of cases referred to us, and so we just needed a bigger space. So our new space is wonderful. It's about 4 times as big as our old space.
The Children Advocacy Center assists law enforcement with the investigations of allegations of child abuse or neglect.
The Valley Children's Advocacy Center is a local nonprofit, and we work with law enforcement, child protective services, Commonwealth attorneys, victim witness.
The new facility is equipped with different rooms to counsel and question children as well as their caregivers about the abuse incident.
I tell folks just as important as figuring out what did happen is figuring out what didn't happen. We want to make sure that just as much as holding offenders accountable, that we're also making sure that we are not accusing people wrongfully of things.
Simmons says the victim and the caregiver are questioned simultaneously in separate rooms.
The non-offending caregiver is the one who brings the child here, and there's lots and lots of research that says that that caregiver knowing how to respond to that child is essential in that child's healing.
Ellen Bowden is a member of the board of directors for the center.
The statistics show we need to help our children. We need to do it. The community needs to stand up and advocate for children.
She explained her role as a board member.
Basically, the board of directors takes care of the business end of any nonprofit, and so there's boring numbers and plans for every year, and 5-year plans to kind of portion out, but I really enjoy it, and I know it really helps.
Families in Augusta County who find themselves in the middle of a sexual abuse crisis need not worry about the financial cost of getting help.
All of our services are completely free of charge to our clients, so we rely very heavily on grants and donations and fundraisers and things of that sort.
In Staunton, Elaine Rackley for Breaking Through News.